The installation of high-profile SpanTrack lane requires a drill with a hex head. The materials in the assembly kit include pre-punched retainer angles, Tech screws, and lock arms. Set the front beam at the desired discharge elevation. Set the rear beam at higher elevation to create the proper flow. The front beam should be set approximately 1 inch per foot of depth below the rear beam. Install the retainer angles. Use the Tech screws to attach the pre-punched retainer angles to the outside of the front and rear beams. Use the drill with the hex head to install the Tech screws and secure the retainer angles to the beams. The Tech screws should be a minimum of 2 feet apart. Now you're ready to add the SpanTrack. The channels of the SpanTrack should go between the teeth of the retainer angle. Next, use the lock arm to secure the track to the beam. Thread the lock arm through the channel so that it hooks to the teeth of the retainer angle. Flip the outside of the lock arm over the tooth of the retainer angle to lock it into place. If the track is overhanging the beam in the front only, secure the track in the rear. If the track is overhanging the rear only, secure the track in the front. If the track is overhanging in both the front and rear, secure the track in the rear. This will prevent the track from becoming a seesaw. Test the pitch to ensure proper product flow.